Hello everyone, this is Jim Ogrozinski with your weekly screencast video. So I have much to cover, so I'm going to get right to it. This week's activity is the first draft of the review article itself, the peer report. Then peer reviews are due on Friday. The review article in the website, the actual published website, is due on Sunday. So let's take first things first. Let's go to discussion board number 8. Now you will find that discussion board 8 is exactly the same process as we participated in for the cultural artifacts here. You will write a peer report with the prompts here. You will upload a document, a PDF, a Word docs, or a link to an accessible Google Doc, which will be your first draft of the review article of your particular topic. Now, I have posted here an example in the course unit for Spirited Away, the 2001 movie. I have some annotations here, but as you will see here, a review article is going to be formatted exactly how it is demonstrated here. You have a title, larger font, bold byline, which is by your name, and you see some smaller chunks of information, usually about 1.5 in the spacing or 1.15. Single space is okay. This will be the way the internet article will be formatted. Just like you would prefer to read content on the internet, smaller chunks of information with, excuse me, with sufficient amount of white space around some of these chunks to allow for just quick and easy consumption of your research, your review article. All right, so this is how the formatting would be of that particular article. That would be attached to the discussion board here. Go through the same peer process as always. Peer reviews will be done in the discussion board, just like the cultural artifacts. Now, what will happen between the first draft and the second draft is you will begin building your Google Sites page. That'll contain, once again, your title, byline, and then the article format designed and integrated into the web page. Here is the example that I provided in the announcement for the lecture video during the week. So you have this as an example of a web page, and I talk about that in the lecture video on put out on Thursday. Okay, so let me get back over to discussion board here. Discussion board number 8 for the review article. Over the course units, just to reiterate where we're at, the review project. Here is the Spirited Away review posted there. If you have any problems or informations, you have the Google Sites tutorial here to work on, all right, and the instructions for the particular review project and the site, all right. There'll be more about the site coming in the lecture video later in the week, but this should get everybody started through this week's activities, posting the draft, filing the peer report, completing peer reviews, and then the lecture video will focus more on the Google site or your web page, something like Groundhog Day here. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.